Welcome back to the program, everyone. Let me know if you like the new video. This is on the new Google Pixel 7. So this is for Mr. Scott in Robbins, Georgia. This is 18 on the GONZO Junior motor. Let me turn this down a little bit. Let's see. Even I just use an LC1. It's fucking great. Even though it's got the wrong value potentiometer in it. So let's go ahead and get the free air. Reading at 27.59 for the free air resonance. Let's change this to 16. I use 16.5 for 18s. And then we will measure the VAS. Oh, less than 25%. I gotta add more mass. Okay, I'll figure that out. Good thing I got my handy dandy drug scale that goes up to 1 kilo. That on there. 5, what do we have it at? 514? Yeah, that's about right. So we'll do that. I put 721.1. And just update it. And then let's try to see if we can just leap right off the VAS. No, the mass added is less than recommended for the FS of the driver. Try using a larger added mass. I don't know, I got it pretty floppy. Usually got to break it in. Let's try again. So that is 621. This is 853.8. We will try that. There we go. There we go. 8 cubic feet. That's a little off. It is using a D2 coil. Not sure if that has anything to do with it. Let's do a fresh measurement just to be sure. There's free air. Again with the 27.59. And we'll do the VAS. Yep, 8 cubic foot. So that's the VAS on that. Again, you only need 8 cubic foot if you want to get down to 28 hertz. If you don't need to get down to 28 hertz, like say, again, I would tune to like maybe 32, 33. Your box will shrink. Probably end up being about 6.5, which is pretty normal. So I'll have to check in to see why that other one, I think we just tested that other 18 and it only came in at 4 cubic foot. So let me reset for the other ones. 514.2. Oops. And then we're good to go. We'll test some more 18s. I was able to finish some more 18s last night. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Again, this is from Mr. Scott in Robbins, Georgia. Thank you for your patience. I love you, everyone. We'll talk to you later. Keep your questions coming. And these cones, this is the 18-inch GONZO cone. This is available on eBay.